I will be showing you my company's secret, the 3 steps to a perfect blonde cut. This is how my wig looks in its original state. It's a 2x6 lace closure wig. The clipper I'll be using is Wahl Elite Pro. Don't worry, you don't have to be a professional to use them. I will leave the link in the description box. My method to cutting the perfect blonde wig is simple. I call it the pointing finger. Step 1. You place your finger on the line you want to cut and simply cut straight with the clipper. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You would not cut your finger, I promise you. Clipper blades are designed to cut hair and will not cut your skin. After you have cut your first section, continue this technique around your wig. The most common way in cutting blonde cut is using a comb. I would not recommend this method because the comb would not hold the hair in a straight line, which will give you an uneven cut. With my method, you would always get a perfect cut every time. Take your time when cutting, do all the steps I'm giving you and rewind if you need to. I really want you to get this right. Try my method and let me know how easy it was for you. Comment below, I love hearing from you. I will give you a bonus tip. If you want a perfect slanted blonde cut style, tip your dummy head on the side where you want shorter and cut a straight line using your finger as I'm showing you. Your slanted blonde bob will look like this. This is not the style I want. I will make it straight and shorter. This is the beauty of blonde bobs. You can play around with the cuts. It's like having 2 wigs for the price of 1. When you get bored with one style, you can simply cut it shorter. I love blonde cut bobs. If you want to wear your wig with confidence, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Step 2. To avoid uneven strands of hair which will be showing on your neck, tilt your dummy head forward. And cut straight like this. Step 3. When you have finished cutting your wig, comb through because you will have some hidden long hair strands. Then cut them off. That's it. Only 3 steps. This is the closer look of the 2x6 lace closure. I will be making a detailed video for you on our new 2x6 lace closure collection. Your blonde cut bob wig will look like this. We have over 40 bob wig styles on our website, and this style is the most popular wig for everyday wear wigs. It's lightweight, no fuss, looks nice straight or wavy. I can talk about the benefit of these wigs for hours. This has been my go-to style. I wore it when I went to our hair factory visit. It's a low maintenance style and super easy to manage. I love this wig. To learn more of my tricks, watch this playlist on DIY wig tips. I will see you there.